So 1,627, and it should be the same here. So ito yung aking actual MP2, but you can you can play with this calculator, no? So halimbawa, should I continue putting 2,200? So year 2023, maglalagay ulit ako ng 2,200 per month. Let's say next year, maglalagay naman ako ng 2,500 per month. And last year, maglalagay naman ako ng 3,000 per month. And naglagay lang ako dito ng projection ng dividend rate. So let's say 6% para a bit conservative, no? So hindi natin masasabi ngayon magkano yung dividend rate. It could be 5%, 7, 8, 4, no? So depende sa performance ni Pag-ibig. But if ito yung gagawin ko, makikita ko dito yung total fund value that will be just by contributing 2,000 pesos, 2,200, 2,500, and then 3,000. So I will have a total fund value na 143,000. Yung total contribution ko would be 126,400, and the total dividend that I would have is 16,842. So as compared to banks, mas malaki na ito. But of course, if you have other investment options that could give you higher than 6%, so you could also look at it. But again, MP2 is quite conservative because it is backed by the government, and you will not see your investment going down in value. So if you are an OFW looking to retire in the Philippines, and in a few years time, magsisettle down ka na, so this could be an option for your retirement fund, no? And then every year, ipo-pull out mo na lang yung iyong dividend income. Or if you are a senior citizen and meron ka lang ding sizable income that you don't want to gamble, or if you don't want to put into stock market and mutual fund dahil ayaw mo na nakita siyang bumababa, so this could also be an option. And speaking of payout, nilagay ko dito, no, because in MP2 you can select two options na sa payout. You can do annual, meaning to say yung dividend na makukuha mo for the year, pwede mo na siyang kunin right after. Yun nga lang, pag ang ginawa mo is annual, dahil kinuha mo na yung dividend income, hindi na siya magko-compound. So yung capital mo lang talaga yung magkakaroon ng dividend income. So if ginawa ko siyang annual, definitely bababa siya. So you can play around with this calculator. Let's say here, I put 500 pesos monthly. If you have 500 pesos a month, you can start with Pag-ibig MP2. And ang magiging fund value mo after 5 years, let's say 500 a month, and ang dividend rate na nilagay ko is just 6%. So you would get 34,000, more or less 35. And yung dividend mo is 4,921 pesos. Okay, so this is better, again, compared to putting it in banks. Though, of course, ngayon meron tayong mga tinatawag na digital banks. So that could give you, I think, ngayon 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10%. So you have to really play around with your savings account, and depende sa iyong goal on the funds that you have, whether it's for long term or gusto mo lang kumita ng mas malaki. So you can put it in MP2, or you could put it into digital bank accounts na ino-offer ngayon ng GCash, ng Maya, Cbank, marami pa, no? So marami pa mga digital banks. So I'll discuss it in my next video. In this video, I just want to highlight yung computation ng Pag-ibig MP2, and hopefully ma-encourage kayo na if this MP2 is for you, then makapag-start kayo, makapag-invest. So